Did you know that in the world of crime and justice, courtrooms have witnessed jaw-dropping moments where convicts took shocking turns, attacking lawyers, judges, and even their own family members? These unexpected courtroom dramas reveal the depths of human emotion and the complexities of the legal system. 1. David Klon. First, let's move to Cleveland, Ohio, where David Klon committed a series of horrifying crimes. He sexually assaulted his girlfriend's daughter, pistol-whipped his girlfriend, and even set an entire apartment complex on fire. But his outburst in court was equally shocking. When David Klon attacked his own lawyer during the hearing, he didn't realize he was jeopardizing his chance at a better sentence. Instead, his charges piled up, and he ended up with 47 years behind bars for felony assault, arson, and more. David, who had already amassed a list of heinous crimes, was facing a serious reckoning for his actions. As the judge addressed the court, detailing the numerous charges against David, including sexual assault, aggravated assault, and arson, his demeanor grew increasingly agitated. It was as if the gravity of his crimes was finally sinking in, and he could no longer contain his rage. 2. Theyr Shabus. Now this incident takes us to Wisconsin, where Theyr Shabus found herself in a nightmarish situation. One day, she left her boyfriend's house, and her boyfriend's mother discovered a gruesome scene: her son strangled, dismembered, and beaten. What happened next was beyond belief. Theyr Shabus, despite being caught red-handed with blood and cuts all over her body, pleaded innocent. She blamed meth and trazodone abuse for her actions. But that wasn't the only shocking twist in her case. In a bizarre courtroom moment, Theyr suddenly attacked her own lawyer. It seemed like the drug still had some control over her. Her actions only added to her charges, which include first-degree homicide, mutilation, and third-degree sexual assault. The courtroom was packed with stunned spectators, gasping as Theyr lunged at her defense attorney, whose expression turned from disbelief to fear in an instant. The bailiff swiftly intervened, subduing Theyr as she struggled against them, her wild eyes filled with a strange mix of rage and desperation. As the chaos subsided, the judge, trying to regain control of the courtroom, ordered a brief recess. Thayr's outburst had not only shocked those present, but also raised questions about her mental state. Her attorney argued that she was not fit to stand trial due to her erratic behavior, citing her history of drug abuse as a contributing factor. In the days that followed, Theyr was evaluated by mental health professionals to determine her competency to stand trial. The results were inconclusive, with some experts suggesting that her drug abuse may have triggered a temporary psychotic episode. Her defense team continued to fight for a reduced sentence, emphasizing the need for psychiatric treatment and rehabilitation over incarceration. 3. Nicholas Twinster. In Berlin, Nicholas Twinster's murder trial took an unexpected turn as he faced charges for the fatal shooting of his estranged wife and her boyfriend. As the prosecution presented evidence of a history of abuse within their tumultuous relationship, Nicholas, overwhelmed by anger, erupted in a fit of rage during the courtroom proceedings. He vehemently protested the portrayal of his wife and claimed to be more concerned about their daughter's safety. Nicholas's explosive outburst left the gallery in shock, and the judge swiftly intervened, admonishing him for his behavior. Despite the chaos that had unfolded, the judge handed down a decisive verdict. Nicholas Twinster received 2 consecutive life sentences without the possibility of parole. This sentencing ensured that he would never pose a threat to society again, concluding a courtroom drama marked by emotional turmoil and an unexpected outburst. 4. Bruce Embry. In Kalamazoo, Michigan, Bruce Embry committed a heinous crime by murdering his step-grandson, sending shockwaves through the community. However, it was the courtroom drama that left a lasting impact. As Bruce faced his sentencing for this gruesome act, one of the victim's family members couldn't contain their grief and anger, leading to a chaotic outburst. Security personnel swiftly intervened to restore order, highlighting the immense pain and rage that the victim's family felt due to this tragedy. Amidst the turmoil, the judge persevered and delivered the sentence. Bruce Embry received a life term without the possibility of parole, ensuring that he would spend the remainder of his days behind bars for the unspeakable crime he had committed. This shocking courtroom incident served as a stark reminder of the devastating consequences of his actions on the lives of the victim's family and the community at large. These courtroom dramas prove that sometimes the unexpected can happen when convicts face the consequences of their actions. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.